How to get refunds on Ticketmaster. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. Open up your Ticketmaster application and make sure that it is updated and you are logged in. Now in here at the very top, you should see an icon that is the 3-line icon. In order to refund, tap on the 3-line icon in your left hand side. It will display some of the options. Tap on My Event. Now, if you have any of the tickets, you can see the option of Request Fund. You can tap on the option of Request Fund. In here, you have to mention why do you want to request a fund. Depending upon the agency and your event, you may receive partial or even full refund for your ticket. You will be provided with an email address confirming regarding your refund as well. That is how you can easily get refund on Ticketmaster. If you face any of the issue regarding the process, you can visit the Ticketmaster help and support. If not, and if it's the bug issue in your Ticketmaster application, head back from your Ticketmaster. Then you have to press and hold onto your application, then head to App Info. Force stop your application, then head to Storage and Cache, then clear up a cache. This will help with bug or glitch issue. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.